Hello, beautiful people. Coming to you from my kitchen because I want to show you guys how I make my coffee concentrate. I guess the short that I did, I don't know, some people were getting mad about it. So we're just gonna do it. We're gonna do it. You need a kettle full of water. I use my teapot. I use the Nescafe Gold Espresso and the Nescafe Rich Intense. First step, into your teapot goes 5 tablespoons of the Gold Espresso. I just use a normal tablespoon and I make it a heaping tablespoon. So 5 of those. Next goes in 5 heaping tablespoons of the Nescafe Intense. Give that a little stir. So now we wait for the water to boil. This makes about this much in the pitcher. I put this in my fridge. It will get a rinse out. I put that in my fridge and it becomes my iced coffee concentrate. It's delicious. It makes about 20 cups of coffee. So totally worth it. Depends on how strong you like your coffee. So now that the kettle is at a boil, we're going to just click it off and we'll pour. Fill this all the way to the top. Now that it's cooled off, a very nice pour into the canister, and then into the fridge it goes. So before we wrap up our final thoughts, please like and subscribe, maybe hit the notification bell, all those lovely good things. And with your coffee concentrate, don't forget to add water to it when you pour it into your cup. And you can add your own cream, sugar, milk, whatever you add to your coffee flavoring, anything will do, and just enjoy it. Enjoy it. You can also heat it up in the microwave and have a nice hot coffee or pour some boiling water in. So enjoy it. And enjoy yourselves and enjoy the week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.